If you want to improve your privacy and security in Google Chrome, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple settings that can help protect you from dangerous websites, reduce online tracking, and make your browser a little more secure overall. This is a quick and easy Chrome setup that anyone can follow, even if you're not very technical. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three dots menu. Click that menu, and from the list that appears, select Settings. This is where all of Chrome's main configuration options are located, including the privacy and the security features we want to adjust. Now, on the left-hand side of the settings page, find and click Privacy and Security. This section contains the controls that help you manage how Chrome handles your browsing activity, website permissions, cookies, and protection settings. Once you open it, you'll see several options you can customize to make Chrome safer and more private. Next, click Security. This is where Chrome lets you control Safe Browsing Protection. Under the Safe Browsing section, you'll see different protection levels. To get stronger protection, select Enhanced Protection. This setting helps Chrome warn you about dangerous websites, malware, phishing attempts, and other suspicious online threats. It's one of the best options if you want more proactive protection while browsing. After that, go back to the Privacy and Security menu. From there, click Third-Party Cookies. This setting controls how websites track your activity across the web. To improve privacy, select Block Third-Party Cookies. This helps reduce cross-site tracking and gives you more control over how advertisers and other sites follow your browsing behavior. Once you've made these changes, Chrome will be better set up for privacy and security. You've now enabled stronger browsing protection and reduced third-party tracking, which is a great step toward a safer browsing experience. These settings only take a minute to change, but they can make a real difference over time. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.